All right, here we are on a very windy day, and I wanted to show you the kitchen and show you how I have it set up, show you how I have it installed, I guess you'd call it, and give you my thoughts on it. So I'll put up on the screen what it is, where I got it from Amazon. And then I will show you how it is in travel mode, and I will show you how it is before and after I get it put into the Bronco here. This thing is made for any kind of an SUV, or even a truck, I guess, or a car. And I really think the setup is pretty darn good. This is a little utensil tray. Comes with your little bag holder and your little paper towel holder. This spot is your cooking center. It's made for a 2-burner stove. I don't use propane or butane, although I do have that stuff. I like using my little electric skillet, and I use it with my 1000-watt power bank here. And you got the little sink. I have my little 2-gallon igloo. Gives you a prep center here. And then, like I said, the cooking section. Now, back here is how I have things differently. I have a 2x4, and I've notched that 2x4 out for the strap that you'll see when I show that part. And I just put a little notch in it for that strap to go through. I have it in the back too. I don't know how well you're going to see that. And then it has these hooks here, these loops. They give you these 2 orange ratchet straps, and those are made to go from your anchor point on this side, go over, you got your little notches that it sits in, goes down, and then to the anchor point here. Well, the Bronco isn't set up for this stuff, and it took me a long time to come up with a way that I think is easy. I will probably show that right now. So this is how the trunk of the Bronco is normally. I have the ratchet strap just laying in here, kind of loose, so we can place anything we need to in the bed. I usually keep those little fold-up containers for grocery shopping. And then, of course, a little towel rack. But this is how the bed is normally. And then I'll show you, hopefully you'll be able to see the anchor point there and the anchor points there. Alright, so you can kind of see I have a clamp down there that attaches the part of the ratchet strap to the bar that attaches to the seat. And you can't really see, but back there in the corner is where my fish tape is tied to. And then it comes up here at this what's supposed to be an anchor point for the trunk here. And then over here, hopefully you can kind of see it. This is where I have the strap, the other part of the ratchet strap, attached. Alright, so here it is I have an old ratchet strap that I have the mule tape attached to, and you saw the mule tape was went down inside and then tied to the back seat assembly, and seems to work out well. I love mule tape. Used to use it in the phone company. Stuff is strong and it should be fine. I don't use the front strap because of the little black ratchet strap and the 2x4 that I attach to it. So I'll explain all that later, but that's how it attaches inside, and I'll show you the rest in a bit. So you see how I have it set up, how I have it installed, and this is going to be a really short video because it's just too darn windy to do too much. I have other plans with this thing. I have some molly panels that I'm thinking about putting on here. There's a video about what I did for the leg here that makes it much easier to deal with. But I'm going to tell you, overall, I really like this thing. Other videos I have it to where you can see me setting it up, pulling it out, doing everything. I will link to the first video I did on this, and you can see. All right, so there it is. I really like it. It's built well. The design is good. I like having the sink. I like the prep area. Without that 2-burner stove, it gives me room for some extra stuff. My little skillet. But overall, I think this thing is great. I really like it. Makes life a lot easier setting up your kitchen. I used to have a table and a couple of toolboxes. Actually, the toolbox right here is my camp box. I used to have another one just like it that was the kitchen. And yeah, this is so easy. It takes you a couple minutes to set it up. You're ready to cook. I really like it. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. I'm going to make some lunch because I'm starving, and just deal with the wind. So if you have any questions, leave them below. I'll leave a link to this thing. I'll put some other videos that have this in it at the end. And I thank you for watching. What do you say, Gare? You thank him for watching? Nah, he just loves being outside. All right. Thanks for watching.